Hi guys, for those people that have been asking me about Do As I Say oil, I want to let you know that the oil is now available. Yes, for those people that have been requesting this oil for a very long time on my WhatsApp, I want to tell you that the oil is now available. If you want to make your customers pay you exact amount of whatever goods you tell them, whatever amount you tell them, you want them to pay you without argument, you need to have this oil. And if you want your husband or wife to be loyal to you, okay, to be loyal to you, you need to have this oil. You can use it to tell them what to do. Okay, I believe you are not going to use it for evil. I believe you are not going to use it for evil. You are only going to use it for good. Please, anything evil is not good. Okay, so when you have this oil, make sure you are using it for good. Don't use it for evil. I beg you in the name of God. All right, so if you need this oil, you can place your order via my WhatsApp with the number showing on the screen. Okay, no matter your location, it will get to you. I will deliver it to your location. Okay, and this oil, there is a way you use this oil. You don't just get this oil and start using it anyhow. There is a procedure on how to use this oil. Number one, you are not going to be eating food cooked with red oil. Once you want to apply this oil on your body, on your tongue, once you want to apply this oil on your tongue, because the oil, you apply it on your tongue, you are not going to use anything cooked with red oil. Okay, for example, if you want to use it today, make sure you avoid anything cooked with red oil throughout today. Okay, for it to be effective. If you want to use it for next tomorrow, make sure you are not going to eat anything that tomorrow cooked with red oil. Okay, for it to work for you. Okay, now this is the oil. Okay, this is the oil. This is the oil. It's very small on this bottle. Okay, as you can see, this is the oil. Now when you get this oil, now you are going to open it with the cover, then dip your finger on it and drop it on your tongue like this. Okay, and you lick it up. That is how to use the oil. Okay, now once you do that, you can command whatever you want to command. Whoever you want to tell anything, the person will comply without arguing you, without arguments. Okay, once you drop it on your tongue, you can say whatever you want to say to anybody and the person will comply without arguments. Okay, that's the work of this oil. Make sure you're not going to use it for evil, please, and make sure you don't eat food cooked with red oil any day you want to apply this oil, so that it will work for you. Okay, so like I said before, if you need it, place your order via my WhatsApp so that I'll make it available for you. Okay, if you do not understand anything that I just said on this video, please use the comment section, drop your comments so that I will explain more better. Okay, I'll explain more better. And please, I want you guys to tell me about this mic that I'm using. As you can see, I have a new mic here. So tell me how the volume is. Okay, the video I dropped yesterday, I asked question and some few people replied. So tell me how this mic is responding to this video so that I will know what to add more. Okay, so make sure you place your order, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. I found out that some of my viewers are not liking my videos. Please, if you like what I'm doing, please give me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that this channel will grow. Okay, I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.